Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to write an essay on kindness for the self, for the others and for the environment. Before starting the video, I will let you know about this contest. Actually, this contest is organized by Heartfulness Education Trust and they had given same topic for all the categories as you can see here. So this is some information about the contest, and also if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. So without wasting time, let's begin. Whenever there is a term kindness, the first thing that arises in our mind is humanism, that is nothing but the goodwill of a particular person. In this whole world, there are too much lack of kind peoples. Each and everyone is thinking about themselves, no one is thinking about others. And the most important thing that we are forgetting is our environment, which is one of the ultimate thing that we need to preserve as well as to conserve it. Why we had become too much egocentric? What is the reason behind that? How should we overcome it? And the most important thing, that how should we maintain kindness for the self, for others and for the environment? Kindness is such a thing that it makes people against the discrimination. In our society, individuals are discriminated on the basis of caste, religion, section, place of birth, region, etc. According to our Indian Constitution, under the Article 14, the state shall not discriminate against any citizens on grounds of religion, race, caste, place of birth or any of them. Due to this article, this discrimination among peoples had become very less. But still in some illiterate society, the discrimination is done on the basis of religion, section, place of birth, region, etc. We should not judge a book by its cover. We cannot predict what is supposed to be happen in the future. That's why we should follow the equality. We should not judge any individual by its color, region, caste, etc. If you follow this kind of equality, unthinkingly kindness will develop in you, and we should always be kind with ourselves. Now the question arises that how to maintain kindness with our environment. Nowadays environment is becoming extinct. No one cares about environment, but the effect of this will be very devastating. Environment is indirectly related with us. If we are using vehicle, there is an emission of CO2 that is nothing but the carbon dioxide, and we all are familiar that CO2 is a greenhouse gas that leads to global warming. But still we are emitting it. We cannot migrate in the absence of vehicles, but we at least reduce the use of vehicles that are emitting CO2. We can make use of public vehicles or an electric car to reduce the CO2 emissions. In this way, we will be shown the kindness with our environment, which is the most important thing. Also, we should not cut any forest for establishing human colonies. Due to this, many animals' habitats will be finished, and if the habitat is finished, then the animals will live in the human colonies, which is making problems for humans. Thus, we should not cut any forest for establishing the human colonies. In this way, we can build a sense of kindness in our will. Our nature is most ultimate thing that we need to preserve as well as to conserve it. And we should not discriminate anyone on the basis of religion, caste, creed, region, etc. So hope you will develop this kind of kindness in yourself and will be a good person in society.